Hi, welcome to the NordPass video guide. I'm Simas, a sales engineer here at NordPass. In this video, you'll learn how to use the company-wide password health tool. Let's get started. When you open the admin panel, you can quickly find the password health feature on the dashboard. It will tell you how many passwords in the organization are weak based on the established company-wide password policy, reused and outdated according to the time limit set by the admin. This means you can see clearly how strong all passwords in the organization are and determine which members' passwords need updating. We recommend reaching out to them and educating them on how to create strong passwords using the NordPass password generator and fixing any issues that have occurred. To monitor companies' overall password health even more effectively, you can also enable the exposed passwords feature. It scans the dark web to check if any accounts saved in the organization's members' NordPass vaults are using passwords compromised in data breaches involving other users. If a match is found, the affected team members will be notified about the exposed passwords in their vaults, making it easier for them to update their passwords and help prevent a potential breach in your company. For added protection, you can also use the Data Breach Scanner tool. This tool scans for logins and other sensitive data tied to an employee's email address, even if it's not stored in their vault. Together, these tools offer a clearer view of potential data exposure. Great! Now you're all set. If you have any questions about this topic or NordPass in general, contact our customer support team for assistance. Stay safe.